So before my apprenticeship, I went to uni. It was only about 6 months, but it wasn't really for me. I'm more of a hands-on person. The social part, it was alright, but I'd rather be earning money while working, which gave me the experience it does here. You've got the lads downstairs as well, so it's kind of getting you in that environment of growing up a bit more quicker than uni would.
The apprenticeship's a great scheme because you get treated like an adult. You're in a real life situation. If you're late, there's a consequence. It's not like school, you get detention for a day and you're like, oh well, I'll just do it again. You enjoy it. You get real life experiences with real life people, how it works, customer services, and just being thrown in there to see what you want and see what you enjoy.
For me, I didn't really like school much anyway, and uni, I just think it's, me personally, would be a waste of time. You're doing something for 4 years and the chances of you doing that career from that degree is very rare that people do. And I just wanted to get into the industry that I wanted to, because it is quite broad at the moment, and I wanted to start earning and kind of just learning that as I go to get my feet in the water basically. Because if you go to uni, people my age are still at uni and they have no work experience, whereas my age now I do, and being 21, I have the experience that other people my age don't. So.
I would recommend firstly an apprenticeship because you can go to uni, but you can have also that debt after, which for some people, if they're not academically there and the more hands-on people like myself, this is the brilliant part of it. I'm working, I'm learning, but then also I'm earning money, which then I can go and buy them nice cars and them little things like your clothes and that, which us youngsters kind of love and cherish. So I think that's the main aspect of why apprenticeship would be good, especially in this trade as well. You're always, like I said, you're always learning. There's always skills, always opportunities like my boss gives me, and also you get to drive nice cars.
Personally, I'd recommend it because it jumps you up the ladder, because you're being thrown into a real life workplace. You get the money included, the skills and learning to go on to look at mortgages. If you enjoy your cars, go and buy a nice car, enjoy what you want. And you get a good social life as well, because you're at a set time, that's your set time for work, and then you'll have the whole weekend to do what you want to do.
I would recommend apprenticeship to other people because I feel like you're getting all that experience. If you know exactly what you want to do and the career you want to do, apprenticeship is the best option because you're gaining that experience from the first day you walk into that door. So you're set for life and you can get your qualification alongside and earn money. So honestly, it just ticks all the boxes if you know exactly what you want to do.